Right, today we're going to do something a bit different. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but we're going to try. Oh my gosh. Nala, I've got a white bum. Yeah, she's got a white eye. Ooh, she's white. She's lovely and white. Gotta get under the cheek. Ooh, yeah. We're just gonna like smudge this in a bit. Okay, we're doing it. We're doing it. Oh, my hamstrings. This is meant to be sexy. This is not what I thought it would look like. The process doesn't matter. Oh, it's stuck to my ass. My hamstrings. I definitely need to get my hamstrings done. Oh my god. Okay. We're just gonna do a foot. Oh, I wish I could be pink all day. This is great. Yeah! Okay. Oh no. Shit. And this is my finished piece. I hope you enjoyed.